I'm here on behalf of NovaSpace. Started NovaSpace because was very interested in what was going on in the space sector here in Colorado. Obviously, I've been in the aerospace and defense industry for 30 plus years, but only really in the past 5 years have I started really focusing on what's really going on in space. And I think this whole commercialization of space really piqued my interest.
I saw that there was a breakout in the commercial opportunities for companies that really wanted to solve some challenging problems that could also support these other types of industries. What is a catalyst is the cost tumbling to start a space company. The computers have become a lot smaller, a lot cheaper, storage is virtually free. So all of that has actually caused, basically catalyzed the opportunities for space entrepreneurs to start companies for very, very low cost and actually be successful at it.
It's a very exciting day for us. Like many other days prior, we're launching this community in space. Colorado has been a leader in the space arena, hasn't actually received its due notoriety for it, but in terms of the workforce, we are number 2 by raw numbers, number 1 per capita in this arena, and just have some incredible organizations and both the Department of Defense Infrastructure, Air Force Academy, the Space Foundation, the Space Coalition, eSpace that started over here, just a number of fantastic initiatives all started in Colorado.
We have a number of superlatives here in Colorado about space. What we need now is a better approach towards creating these communities, space communities, where we have all the support services that are there for anchor tenants and entrepreneurs. We figured that out here in Innovation Pavilion. There's nobody better to create a community campus excelling in these vertical categories like space technology than Innovation Pavilion.
Lockheed Martin has a $100 million venture fund that we're looking to develop strategic ideas. And again, thinking of the broad nature of space and how it is used in managing global networks, the global information and decision frameworks, the collection of intelligence. Who has ideas, better ideas? And it's not just equipment that orbits in space or small launch vehicles. It's who makes better radio devices, who has artificial intelligence solutions that can help stitch together information from a variety of sources.
Aerospace in Colorado, and predominantly space, I'll say, is a large industry sector. We're one of the top 5 in Colorado, and we're number 2 in the nation in direct employment and per capita of employees in the space industry. So it is a large economic sector here. And we have almost 500 companies that are directly employed in space products, space services in Colorado. We have 63,000 employees in the space industry, so it is large and a big part of our economy here in Colorado.
Today, sitting in the audience and hearing the panelists from the Nova launch was really exciting. And they covered all kinds of important aspects. They had aerospace companies, aerospace entrepreneurs, aerospace advocates, aspiring astronauts, all kinds of other people there. And it was a very lively discussion talking about what is the value of aerospace in Colorado, in the United States, and our comparison worldwide.
NovaSpace provides a wonderful opportunity for so many people in aerospace, especially young people who are interested in starting companies, 20, 30-somethings, 40-somethings who are have a great idea and have a new way of doing space operations or space launch or space applications, etc. It's just a perfect time and a confluence of opportunities for an entrepreneur and NovaSpace to connect and be successful.
The realization of the folks who are starting NovaSpace is that there's all this talent, right? And can we get all the ingredients together to make sure that Denver benefits from the creation of companies in the space? So we know that there's an amazing number of capable engineers to come here and join these companies, to work with these companies and grow them to be something really, really viable in the space area.